In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Rage in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To get this specific badge ability, you will have to complete two major objectives. So Rage is a badge ability that requires the Vengeance badge, so this is going to be the first requirement. This allows you to cause an earth-shattering slam, as you can see right here on this little model on the lobby. You will pin people to the ground, and it gets stronger the lower their health is. Now, to actually get it, like I said, the first requirement is the Vengeance badge. To get Vengeance, all that you have to do is kill someone with only 5% of your health. So as long as you are able to get a kill while you have only 5% of your health, you will be awarded with the Vengeance badge. Once you have the Vengeance badge, there is one more additional step that you can also see below the actual miniature. You will then have to get 20,000 punches. So as long as you get 20,000 punches in total, and you can check at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you get the Vengeance badge by killing someone while you only have 5% of your health, you will unlock Rage. Keep in mind that you can get the Vengeance badge at any point. It doesn't need to be before the 20,000 punches or afterwards, and it's probably just going to happen naturally, so don't sweat it. Just keep playing and eventually you will be able to kill someone while you are low health. You will then get the Vengeance badge, and then if you have 20,000 punches already, Rage will be unlocked by default, but if you don't, and you got the Vengeance badge, then you will have to get working on getting 20,000 punches to unlock Rage. Afterwards, you can use the badge ability. Like I said, it's going to pin people to the ground, and it's going to do more damage the lower their health is. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Rage in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.